Turmeric, a golden-hued spice widely used in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines, has gained significant popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. Revered for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric is more than just a culinary staple. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is the powerhouse behind its health-enhancing qualities, which include supporting weight loss efforts. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and enhance digestion, all of which are key factors in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your current weight, turmeric can be a valuable ally. Its versatility allows it to be easily integrated into a variety of drinks, making it an accessible addition to your diet. Here are 7 turmeric-based drinks that may support weight loss. Turmeric tea. Ingredients: turmeric powder, black pepper, milk, honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Warm the milk, add turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon, and sweeten with honey. Drink this soothing tea before bed to support digestion and metabolism. Turmeric and lemon water. Ingredients: turmeric powder, lemon juice, warm water, and honey. Mix turmeric powder in warm water, add fresh lemon juice, and sweeten with honey if desired. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning to boost metabolism and detoxify the body. Turmeric and ginger detox drink. Ingredients: turmeric powder, grated ginger, lemon juice, warm water, and honey. Steep grated ginger in warm water, add turmeric powder and lemon juice, and sweeten with honey. This drink can help with digestion and reducing inflammation. Turmeric and apple cider vinegar tonic. Ingredients: turmeric powder, apple cider vinegar, warm water, and honey. Mix turmeric and apple cider vinegar in warm water and add honey for taste. Drink this tonic before meals to aid in digestion and for burning fat. Turmeric smoothie. Ingredients: turmeric powder, banana, almond, milk, chia seeds, spinach, and honey. Blend all the ingredients into a smoothie. This nutrient-rich drink can serve as a healthy breakfast or snack. Turmeric and green tea. Ingredients: turmeric powder, green tea leaves or bag, honey, and lemon juice. Brew green tea, add turmeric powder, and enhance the flavor with honey and lemon juice. Green tea combined with turmeric can increase fat oxidation and improve metabolism. Turmeric and cinnamon fat burning drink. Ingredients: turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, warm water, and honey. Mix turmeric and cinnamon powder in warm water and sweeten with honey. Cinnamon adds a thermogenic effect, which helps in burning fat. Each of these drinks can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet and exercise routine, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.